Hello and welcome back to this tutorial on how to solve your Rubik's Cube. So today we'll be putting in the edges. Hi YouTube. So last time we were solving the white. Now we'll be solving these middle edges. So first off, pick an edge without yellow on it. And this one here. Not this, because it has yellow. Not this, because it has yellow. Not this, because it has yellow. But it can do this, right? Because I want to match it up. Oh, like that. So now I bring it to where it needs to go. And now I want to hold the line. So a line is going to come up somewhere. Here it is. So when I find this line, I just want to do line up, out, up, out, up, in, down, and your edge is in. So you do that for all of them. This one. So that's the line. Out, up, in, down, down. Come on, focus. Now I'll pick another one without yellow.
But I don't have any without yellow. What do I do?
So what I want to do here, either I will have one that is swapped, or two that are swapped. I'll show you how you have one swapped in a minute. So when you have two that are swapped, you just pick any random yellow piece, put it in randomly to here, write a line, out, up, in, down. So now you have a yellow piece stuck in here. You can bring a purple piece around. There it is. And now I want to bring it in, so here's the line, and unfortunately I missed part of this video, so for this part you just do the normal algorithm. So hit the line out, up, in, down. So yeah, a bit like that. So to the next bit. So there we go, and last one. Out, up, in, down, and down. But what you may have is this. You may have one flipped like that. So again, you just bring the yellow one. Oh, it goes here, correct? So now up, in, down, in, and back down. So there you go. You have solved the first two layers of your group. Actually, I forgot to say you just put the last edge in, but you can see right there, didn't put it in, but yay.